Welcome to Meditation Music Mind channel. Today, I will teach you Nikola Tesla 369 manifestation technique. Everybody in the world knows who is Nikola Tesla. He is greater inventor. In his spiritual journey and invention process, he has been discovered divine number 369. In quote, he noted, if you knew the magnificent of the number 3, 6 and 9, you have the key of universe. Isn't it great? I will explain you how these numbers are divine in multiple ways. Just stay tuned till end of the video. Without getting too mathematical, we'll explain you how it is divine from math standpoint. Tesla is a great inventor and he has explained his 369 manifestation very powerfully. He linked power of 3, 6 and 9 together for manifestation. When studying circles, which is 360 degree, which means 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. For example, he discovered that no matter how many times you divide 1, the outcome would always be 3, 6 or 9. These three numbers held great significance in this universe, nature, and human being. Number 3 is directly linked to the universe. At the same time, number 6 represents the strength we have in ourselves. And number 9 helps to release feeling of negativity. Tesla said, if you want to find the secret of universe, think in terms of energy, frequency and vibration. So, these three numbers are exactly acting in same manner when we use them for manifesting. There are 4 steps involved in this 369 manifestation technique. Step 1 is decide your manifestation. First, you need to grab your journal and pen. You will need your journal and pen for next 33 days. Now, here we will take reference from Abraham Hicks and we will think about our manifestation for 17 seconds. And the reason behind 17 seconds is, if we focus on any thought for 17 seconds, our brain then start to create more and more of that energy. Your brain will align yourself of what you are thinking. If you have 2 sentences for manifestation affirmation, then I think they will perfectly get fit into 17 seconds. Remember, for great effect, you need to start the manifestation with gratitude, add in emotion, and finish with word into my life. For example, if your desire is attracting money, then you can write your affirmation like, I am so grateful for the universe aligning with me to attract $1 million into my bank account, carrying with its monetary abundance, happiness and pleasure into my life. If you focus, the key is to use words that magnify the emotion and energy you want to attract. As you can see here, I have used powerful words such as abundance, happiness, and pleasure, which are words you can really feel inside of your body. Would like to give you another example. If you are a student and you want to get some good grade in this year, then you can write your affirmation like, I am so thankful for the universe aligning with me to first class grade this year, carrying with it a success, happiness in my heart into my life. Once you have perfectly aligned your words for manifestation, please remember 17 seconds is around the time it takes to write 2 sentences and align your words to the energy you want to attract and magnify. It is time to start the first of 33 days of the 369 manifestation method. Step 2 is you have to journal 3 times in the morning. Once you awake in morning, you need to take your journal, write your 17 seconds long affirmation 3 times in journal. This time, when you are writing this journal, you need to feel energy of what it is you want to attract. How you are feeling as you have attracted your desire. For example, if you want to affirm money, then you can visualize money flowing into your account. How it feels like to be millionaire. Start to get involved in your imagination. Once you are done, then close your journal. Trust this universe and keep belief in your mind that universe will work her magic. You can start your day without holding your manifestation. No need to be desperate about your desire, else universe will get sense of lack of belief. No need to hold your desire tight. Just let it go. Now, step 3 is you have to journal 6 times in the midday or in the afternoon. In the mid of the day, you need to journal your manifestation 6 times as you did it in the morning. You need to follow same process as you did in the morning. Same belief, same faith and same trust. Remember, most of the people feel stress in their life in afternoon time due to their workload. You completely need to avoid stress and anxiety while writing your journal. With a happy heart, you need to write this journal. Again, once you are done with the journal, just close it and release your desire to universe. Universe is there to take care of your desire. And last, 4th step is you have to journal 9 times before bed. This is final step. Before going to sleep, just take your journal and write down your 70 seconds affirmation 9 times in journal. This time, you need to write your journal with high vibration. Morning 3 times journal will set the intention to the universe. Afternoon 6 times journal will amplify them. And the final 9 times journal before bed will set this manifestation in stone. Remember this. 369 manifestation method is merged with Abraham Hicks' reading on the power of 17 seconds and energy alignment. So, this technique is worldwide proven technique, and that is the reason it is incredibly powerful for so many people. Keep in mind that you need to follow this 369 manifestation technique for 33 days to occur magic in your life. Even if you will see number 33 mathematically, then see what magic happened. Number 3 multiplied by number 3 will give you answer 9. Number 3 plus number 3 will give you answer 6. See how it turns magically and beautifully. These examples will show you how these are divine numbers and powerful numbers. Would like to give you tips for this 369 manifestation method. Number 1. You need to add your affirmation in present tense only. It will show universe that you are already claiming what you want. Number 2. Don't get desperate about your desire. Your only task is releasing your desire to universe. How and when will get answered by universe. Number 3. Your desire will get fulfilled in 33 days or after 33 days. There is no need to give up on your hope. Divine numbers will show their magic on divine time. Number 4. To work this 369 manifestation process fully, you need to be consistent in your journal timing. You can set alarm so will not forget to write your journal. Number 5. You don't need to be doubtful about yourself. You just need to be positive and happy throughout day and while writing journal. Remember, on your all desire, universe says, your wish is on command.